Welcome to the Cove. We are here on Explora 1 examining one of the special residences at sea. I'm very proud to be able to show it to you today. Welcome to Suite 8033, which is the Cove Suite on Explora 1. Right off the bat, you can just notice how beautiful, spacious, wonderful decor that there is. Okay, so I'm going to just move on, give you an overall sense very quickly, and then we'll just look at some detail. And I'm going to just go off into the bedroom and we'll just start here. So we have a beautiful, high quality bed with controls here on either side of the bed, which control the curtains and the lighting. And it's a beautiful separate space with a huge television set, and you have access to your outdoor seating, which includes your very own jacuzzi hot tub, and of course a beautiful view. And we'll go outside in momentarily, but notice the beautiful decor. And straight ahead here we have your makeup center and a Dyson hairdryer, so you don't need to bring any extra accessories with you. Lots of closet space. And what I love about these suites is that they all have a space for all of your jewelry. You can put your belts, your ties, lots of storage for his and her, and everything comes equipped with a beautiful plush robe and the slippers. And inside of the washroom, you are given a really high quality hand and body soap, and we also have the lotion. Lots of cabinet space. A great space for the shower, which includes a rainfall shower here, your conditioner, the shampoo, and the body soap, and lots of storage underneath. So the Cove has a very standard washroom size. You'll see that in even the entry-level suites. Off to the living space, we have a nice desk, information here. If you want to do any work at a desk, it's perfect. We also have in-suite dining. You don't have to pay any extra for any of these things. All of these can be delivered 24 hours a day to your suite. Huge, spacious couch and another second TV. You have a backgammon set. You also even have your own binoculars so that you can look out at the horizon. And a nice dining table, very important for some friends of mine who love to drink coffees and cappuccinos. More storage. And in here we have all of our glassware, coffees and teas, and your refrigerator, which is equipped with some pop and beer, and of course they can put in whatever your requests are, and that's all included. Over here we have the safe and lots of space over here for your clothes to hang, and you also have controls for the room, which is kind of neat. And outside we have a beautiful hot tub, as I had said. It's a covered balcony with nice seating here, nice depth, and of course your little chaise lounge here. So just last to note that we do have 2 entrances, so you can enter into your living room from where we just came out over here, or we can re-enter again into the bedroom, as I had pointed out here. And here's the hot tub. Some nice space, again, for so much privacy. So if you'd like to see any more tours of any of the other suites, please feel free to subscribe to Kirk Tori Story. We have playlists of Explora 1, and again, this is the COVE residence on the Explora 1 ship. Thanks again so much for watching the video about the COVE residence, and if you feel inclined to watch any more about Explora 1, please feel free to check out some of our other videos.